Ever wonder what truly defines wealth? Is it all about clocking in more hours, or is there a secret mindset that unlocks a life of abundance? Today, we're embarking on a journey to understand the relationship between time management and wealth. In the grand scheme of things, we've often perceived wealth through a traditional lens. It's been viewed as a tally of material possessions, sprawling mansions, sleek vehicles, luxury holidays, and the list goes on. However, this perspective has been evolving and a new dimension has emerged. Many now argue that time management is the real currency of wealth. Intriguing, isn't it? The concept of time management isn't new, but its association with wealth is gaining ground. It's the mantra of work smarter, not harder, that's resonating with many. The notion is simple yet profound. The better you manage your time, the more wealth you can amass. It's about maximizing productivity within the constraints of time, leaving no room for wasted minutes or hours. Imagine this scenario. You have 24 hours in a day, the same as everyone else. But what if you could squeeze out more value from those hours? What if you could transform those hours into a productive powerhouse, driving you toward your financial goals? This is where time management steps in, acting as the fuel that powers the engine of wealth creation. But don't mistake this for advocating endless work hours. It's not about cramming more tasks into your day, but about strategically investing your time where it yields the greatest return. It's about prioritizing, planning, and optimizing your schedule to make each moment count. So let's circle back to our original question. Is time the ultimate king of wealth, or is there more to the story? While time management can certainly help you amass wealth, it's only a piece of the puzzle. It's a tool, a strategy, a means to an end. The idea is, the more efficiently you use your time, the more money you can make. But remember, wealth is a multifaceted concept, and time is just one facet. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the wealth mindset in our next scene. It's a fascinating journey, and we're just getting started. But hold on! Others argue that a wealthy mindset is the real key. Now, what exactly do we mean by wealthy mindset? It's not about wishing for a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. No, a wealthy mindset is about cultivating a perspective, a way of viewing the world that sees opportunities where others see obstacles. It's about shifting from a scarcity mentality, where you're always worried about not having enough, to an abundance mentality, where you believe there's plenty for everyone, including you. This mindset is not just about money, though. It's about seeing wealth in all its forms. Wealth of knowledge, wealth of experiences, wealth of relationships. The more you appreciate these different forms of wealth, the more you attract them into your life. So how does this wealthy mindset differ from the time management approach to wealth? Well, the time management approach is about squeezing every drop of productivity out of every second of the day. It's about hustling, grinding, and constantly pushing forward. The wealthy mindset, on the other hand, is about attracting, not chasing. It's about aligning yourself with the energy of abundance and letting that energy draw opportunities toward you. It's about believing in your inherent worth and knowing that you deserve to experience wealth in all its forms. But here's the thing. This mindset isn't something you can fake. It's not about repeating affirmations while secretly doubting their truth. It's about genuinely believing in your worth, in your ability to create and attract wealth. It's about believing you deserve wealth and taking action based on that belief. Now here's the interesting part. Both sides have a point. Let's take a closer look at these two approaches. First up, time management. Time is a finite resource, and managing it effectively can have a significant impact on your ability to accumulate wealth. If you're able to streamline your tasks, prioritize your work, and avoid procrastination, you're essentially creating more time for yourself. This extra time can then be used for income-generating activities, whether it's starting a side hustle, investing in the stock market, or upskilling to increase your earning potential. Time management is like a tool that, when used correctly, can carve out a path to financial success. But let's not forget the other side of the coin, the wealthy mindset. This approach is all about cultivating beliefs and habits that attract opportunities and abundance. It's not so much about the physical act of making money, but more about the mental and emotional state that allows you to attract it. When you genuinely believe that you deserve wealth and have a positive, opportunistic outlook, you're more likely to notice and seize opportunities that others might overlook. The wealthy mindset is like a magnetic force that draws in abundance. So, who wins in this battle of the titans? Well, why not both? It's like having a powerful engine and a finely tuned steering system in a car. One gives you the power to move forward, and the other helps you navigate towards your destination. In the same way, time management and a wealthy mindset can work together to accelerate your journey towards financial success. By managing your time effectively, you're creating opportunities for wealth. And by cultivating a wealthy mindset, you're conditioning yourself to seize these opportunities when they arise. So the secret sauce might just be a blend of both. Time management gives you the space to create and seize opportunities, and a wealthy mindset ensures that you make the most of these opportunities. By mastering your time and cultivating a mindset of abundance, you unlock the power to achieve your financial goals. Let's remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's also about the freedom and ability to live life on your terms. What does wealth mean to you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your insights and experiences. Are you a time management guru, or do you believe in the power of a wealth mindset? Maybe you're a blend of both, just like the secret sauce we've discussed today. Let's recap our exploration. We've discussed the intriguing debate between time management and a wealth mindset. We've seen that both have their merits and can significantly influence your journey to wealth. On one hand, time management is about efficiency and productivity. It's about making the most of each moment and maximizing your potential. It's about the hustle, the grind, and the discipline to keep pushing even when the going gets tough. On the other hand, a wealth mindset is all about belief and attraction. It's about cultivating a positive outlook, believing in your worth, and attracting opportunities. It's less about the grind and more about the mindset. But the real magic happens when we combine these two approaches. When we manage our time effectively and cultivate a wealth mindset, we create a powerful synergy. We become capable of not just attracting wealth, but also maximizing our potential to create and sustain it. So, what's your approach? Are you ready to harness the power of time and mindset to unlock your wealth potential? We hope this discussion has sparked some thoughts and inspired you to explore your own journey to wealth. If you've enjoyed this content and want more thought-provoking discussions, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got plenty more where this came from, and we can't wait to share it with you. Remember, achieving wealth isn't just about grinding away. It's about leveraging your time effectively and having a mindset that attracts opportunities. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of wealth.